Hi, cocktail lovers. Welcome back to Cocktail Craft. Have you ever thought about the taste of melon in a spritz for your hot summer days? Today, we're bringing you the perfect refreshing drink to cool you down, the Midori Spritz. This cocktail is a delicious twist with a hint of melon that'll take your taste buds on a summer adventure. Stick around to learn how to craft this vibrant and refreshing cocktail. To make this Midori Spritz, you'll need the following ingredients. Midori, for that signature melon flavor. Vodka, for those who love a little extra strength in their drink. Fresh lemon juice to add a bright citrusy kick. Simple syrup for just the right touch of sweetness. Soda water, and a lemon wheel or fresh mint for garnish to add a touch of elegance. Start by grabbing a highball or Collins glass and fill it to the brim with ice. Now pour in 35 milliliters of Midori to bring that bright melon flavor. Then, for those who enjoy a little more kick in their cocktails, add 15 milliliters of vodka. Next, add 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This will add a refreshing citrus balance to the sweetness of the Midori. Follow it up with 10 milliliters of simple syrup for a smooth touch of sweetness. Iti-sa. Give the mixture a gentle stir, allowing all those wonderful flavors to come together. Stirring helps to chill the ingredients evenly and brings out the best of each flavor. Now, top up the glass with soda water for that delightful fizz. Add more ice if necessary to keep the drink nicely chilled. Finish off your Midori Spritz with a beautiful lemon wheel or a sprig of fresh mint for a refreshing aroma and a pop of color. There you have it. A beautiful and delicious Midori Spritz, the perfect melon-flavored cocktail to refresh your summer days. Light, bubbly, and full of flavor, this drink is sure to become your go-to for sunny afternoons and warm evenings. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering cocktail recipes. Cheers!